Hi, and welcome to another software release update video for Axis OS, the operating system that powers our Axis network devices. My name is Samantha, and I am with the Axis OS product management team at Axis Communications. In today's video, we will go through the features and updates in Axis OS 12.2. Let's begin with some general updates. In the web interface, we have a few updates for you. The web interface has a new page for troubleshooting now. The dynamic DNS updates parameter is added to the network page. The best snapshot overlay is added in the metadata stream for moving objects. The Axis logo now links back to the home page. And finally, the metadata producer is moved to the analytics section in the web interface. Furthermore, you can now choose a custom file name for sending video clips in the action rules. When it comes to the cybersecurity, we have updated open source package libraries to patch 2 vulnerabilities. In addition, 3 Axis OS vulnerabilities are also patched. Furthermore, it is now possible to use the public key authentication for SSH users. We have also extended the firewall API that was first introduced in Axis OS 11.8 in February 2024. The API is now enhanced with the possibilities of filtering and tailored access to the device. Web interface configuration support, however, will be added in an upcoming release. Stay tuned for that. Last but not least, basic SNMP support is now added in the web interface, but only for the 3 listed Axis Network Recorder devices. And the spotlights. A new page for troubleshooting is added to the web interface, which includes downloading a network trace from the Axis device, as well as the possibility to ping and port check the hosts on the network. For the next feature, the best snapshot overlay and the object attributes for moving objects are added in the metadata visualization in the web interface. This feature applies to all products based on Axis RPEX 7 and 8, as well as Umbrella CV25. Thirdly, in the web interface for the Axis network devices, you can go to the action rules and set the desired file name for sending video clips. Lastly, we have added the basic SNMP support in the web interface for Axis S3008 and its Mark II, as well as Axis S3016. This feature enables the users to configure these settings. And that concludes the Axis OS 12.2 release update. Stay tuned for the upcoming video covering the Axis OS 12.3 release in March. Thank you for tuning in. Please explore the provided links for more information and subscribe to our Axis OS playlist on YouTube. Until then, take care and goodbye.